Hello, my beautiful friend. Welcome back to the English Bestie. Let me ask you a question. When someone speaks English to you, what happens in your brain? Do you hear the English word? Then do you translate it into your native language? Then do you think of an answer and translate it back into English? By the time you are ready to speak, the conversation is already finished. I know, it is so frustrating. It makes you feel slow. But you are not slow. You are just using the wrong method. Today, I will tell you a story about a man named Leo and the secret rule he learned to stop translating forever. Let's begin.
Leo was a smart man. He studied English every day. He knew a lot of grammar. He knew a lot of vocabulary. But when he tried to speak, he froze. To freeze means you cannot move or speak. Your brain stops working. One day, Leo was at a coffee shop. A friendly tourist asked him, "Excuse me, where is the train station?" Leo knew the answer, but his brain started working too hard. He translated the question, he translated the answer. He took too long. The tourist said, "Never mind," and walked away. Leo felt terrible. He felt like a failure. An older man was sitting at the next table. His name was Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas saw what happened. He smiled at Leo. "You are translating in your head, aren't you?" Mr. Thomas asked. Leo nodded. "Yes, I can't stop. How do I stop?" Mr. Thomas said, "You must use the picture rule." "What is the picture rule?" Leo asked. Mr. Thomas took an apple from his bag. "When I hold this up, do not think of the word in your language. Do not translate. Just look at the red color. Feel the shape. Taste the sweet juice in your mind. Connect the English word apple directly to the feeling." "Your brain is like a muscle," Mr. Thomas said. "Stop translating words. Start connecting English words to real pictures in your mind." Leo tried it. He stopped translating. He started seeing pictures. And suddenly, English became easy. Before we practice, let's look at 3 important words from our story. Word number 1, to translate. This means to change words from one language to another. Example, I want to speak without translating. Word number 2, to freeze. This means to stop moving because you are nervous or scared. Example, when he asked me a question, I froze. Word number 3, secret. Something that not many people know. Example, the picture rule is a great secret for learning English. Now, it is time for our shadowing practice. This is the most important part of the video. I want you to use the picture rule right now. Do not translate my words. Just see the pictures in your head and repeat after me. Ready? I see a red apple. I do not translate. I think in English. When I speak, I feel confident. I connect words to pictures. My English is getting faster.
Ah, great job today. I am so proud of you. Remember, thinking in English takes time. Be patient with yourself. Stop translating and start seeing the pictures. Before you go, leave a comment below. Tell me in English, what is one thing you see in your room right now? Do not translate it. Just look at it and write the English word. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next story. Goodbye.